Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Pride. This one is a 2.5 Ford Escape Hybrid. Once your 2.5 hybrid car doesn't start, maybe the battery too much drained and dead, need to boost the start. Open the door and then use a hood release latch. Pull the twice. It has the double locking system, so you need to pull the twice latch release. And then this here, pull the proper rod and attach to the hood. And then you can see that inside the engine room, driver's side chassis wheelhouse area, so ground point is here. And then whatever you want, booster cable booster, just a black negative clamp attached here. And then down here, lead cover the positive terminal. It connected auxiliary battery. So open the lead color and then you can attach the lead color positive and then your car starting. Starting battery is located trunk side. When you remove a spare tire, you can see the auxiliary starting battery is located under the tire. You can change yourself.